Hello, this is Joel Matthew Alfred. You are on 5CS342, and this is my 7th lab exercise in Web Technology Lab. And the topic is PHP, Super Global Variables. So let's move on to the website the page that I've created. Now, this is the 4 PHP files that I've made, which links to each other to create the ultimate PHP website. So as you can see here, this is the login username and the password. So let's log in quickly. So you get to this particular page once you log in. So in order to do this, we start off with first checking the code for each. So let's open the first one. So we start as normal with the header file, and then we use a style to create the style, etc. Now, once we finish with that, we enter the body. Inside the body, we create a page called login, and we create two buttons. We create text box, a username and password text box, and this helps the user to input the name and the password in order to log in. And then we create a button called submit, which checks the password and the username, and then allows the user to move to the next page. Now, if we get to the if we get the correct username and password, it moves on to the new PHP form. So let's go to the new PHP form right now. So you can see here, once the user enters the username and the password, the username and password is checked along with the part in the new.php. Now, if $session of username is equal to Joel and $session of password is equal to Joel, that is, if the user has entered Joel and the password is entered Joel, then header location ab.php, that is, it moves on to the location ab.php, and the echo script is there's a display telling that welcome, else it shows the wrong password. So let's check that. Let's go back. Now, if we type something else, it shows wrong password. But if we type the correct one, Joel, it goes to location.php, and it shows exactly successful. So now let's check the ab.php. Here we use the font, etc., and we create a radio button. Sorry, let's move on to CD first before we go to AB. So here, now if we enter the correct username and password, then it shows welcome, etc. Now let's move on to the ab.php, which is the main part. So in the ab.php, as usual, we create a style to get it to this page. So we have a name with a text box, and then we have option where you can choose red, green, blue, yellow, or pink. So in order to do that, we create option value. So we have option value red, green, blue, pink, yellow. So it creates an option like this, and then after that we use radio buttons to input BTech, MTech, BCA for the course. So we have the radio buttons which inputs either BTech or else an MTech or BCA, any one of it. So for that we use radio buttons, and then after the subject we input type checkbox. This checkbox can have one or more checklists. That's why we use checkbox here, and then value is the particular so like C bar, C++, or Java or PHP. So we can click all three or any one of it. So the reason why we use checkbox. While here for radio button, you can usually click any one of it. So then we create a button called submit, and this submit button actually submits the value that we entered. So now let's type user as Ninja, and course BTech will put it as blue, and then Java PHP. So let's click submit. So we get the result of this. Welcome Ninja. You selected blue. You selected BTech. You selected C++. You selected Java, and you selected PHP. So that's the end of the 7th one.